Hello there and welcome. In today's video, we're going to be looking at Antonyms 1 Level 1. So let's get started. Antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. Antonyms are like opposites, words that mean completely different things. For example, hot and cold are antonyms because hot means something is really warm, but cold means it's not warm at all. We can find antonyms in everyday words to help us understand things better. So, if up means to go higher, down is its antonym because it means to go lower. Learning antonyms makes our language colorful and interesting. The following slide is a practice exercise. Directions. Choose the word that is most nearly opposite in meaning to the word in capital letters. You have 5 seconds to give your answer before I'm gonna move on to the next item and give you the correct answer. If you think 5 seconds is not enough, you can pause the video. Number 1. Up. A, down. B, above. C, inside. So, antonym or opposite of up is down. Letter A. Number 2. Give. A, share. B, take. C, release. Answer is letter B. Give, take. Number 3. Large. A, huge. B, big. C, small. Answer is C, small. Number 4. Unhappy. Unhappy. A, glad. B, sad. C, calm. Answer is glad. 5. Anger. A, happiness. B, rage. C, stupidity. Answer is A, happiness. Number 6. Midnight. A, evening. B, noon. C, yesterday. Answer is noon. Number 7. Fat. A, short. B, thick. C, skinny. Answer is letter C, skinny. Number 8. Buy. A, sell. B, have. C, hold. Answer is A, sell. Number 9. Quit. A, stop. B, end. C, start. Answer is letter C, start. Number 10. Tight. A, free. B, loose. C, firm. Answer is letter B, loose. The following slide are the answers and explanations. Answers and explanations. Number 1. Answer is letter A. The word up means toward the sky. When you throw a ball up in the air, you toss it above you. The opposite of up is toward the ground. Because down means toward the ground, choice A is correct. B is incorrect because above means at a higher level or layer. This is almost the same as up, not the opposite of it. C is incorrect because inside means situated, within, or in the middle of something. This is not the opposite of up. Number 2, answer is letter B. The word give means to freely hand over something to someone else. When your friend places a pencil in your hand, he or she is giving you a pencil. The opposite of giving is receiving something from someone else. Because take means to gain possession of something, choice B is correct. A is incorrect because share means to give a portion of something to someone else. This is almost the same as give, not the opposite of it. C is incorrect because release means to set free or let something go. This is not the opposite of give, since releasing and giving both involve losing possession of something. Number 3, answer is letter C. The word large means of great size. For example, a mountain is a very large object. The opposite of large is of a lesser or littler size. Because small means little or of a size that is less than normal, choice C is correct. A is incorrect because huge means very big. This is almost the same as large, not the opposite of it. B is incorrect because big means of great size. This is the same as large, not the opposite of it. Number 4, answer is letter A. The word unhappy means sad or not happy. When one hears bad news, he or she becomes unhappy. The opposite of unhappy is happy. Because glad means happy or pleased, choice A is correct. B is incorrect because sad means unhappy. This is the same as unhappy, not the opposite of it. C is incorrect because calm means relaxed or free from stress. This is not the opposite of unhappy because being calm is not the same as being happy. Number 5, answer is letter A. The word anger means a strong feeling of annoyance or displeasure. When someone is mad or really upset, he or she is feeling anger. The opposite of anger is a feeling of pleasure or contentment. Because happiness is the state of being happy or feeling pleasure, choice A is correct. B is incorrect because rage is violent, uncontrollable anger. This is almost the same as anger, not the opposite of it. C is incorrect because stupidity is the state of being unintelligent or dumb. This is not the opposite of anger. Number 6, answer is letter B. The word midnight means 12 o'clock at night. Monday turns to Tuesday at midnight, since midnight is the end of one day and the beginning of another. The opposite of midnight is the midpoint of the day. Because noon is 12 o'clock in the day and the midpoint of the day. Choice B is correct. A is incorrect because evening is the part of the day that lasts from the end of the workday to the time at which people go to sleep. This is not the opposite of midnight because both evening and midnight are during the night. C is incorrect because yesterday is the day before today. This is not the opposite of midnight because midnight is not the same as today. Number 7. Answer is letter C. The word fat means having a large amount of flesh or being large in size. For example, most pigs are fat. The opposite of fat is thin. Because skinny means very thin, choice C is correct. A is incorrect because short means small in height. This is not the opposite of fat because fat is not the same as tall. B is incorrect because thick means wide in width or depth. This is not the opposite of fat since someone who is fat is likely also thick. Number 8. Answer is letter A. The word buy means to acquire in exchange for money. Once you buy something, you own it. The opposite of buy is to give something away for money. Because sell means to give or hand over in exchange for money. Choice A is correct. B is incorrect because have means to possess or hold. This is not the opposite of buy because having something is not the same as giving something away. C is incorrect because hold means to keep in a specified position. This is not the opposite of buy since one might keep something he or she has bought rather than exchange it again for money. Number 9 is letter C. The word quit means to stop doing an activity. When you stop playing a game, you have quit it. The opposite of quit is to continue or begin an activity. Because start means to begin to do something. Choice C is correct. A is incorrect because stop means to cease doing something. This is the same as quit, not the opposite of it. B is incorrect because end means to finish or bring to a final point. This is almost the same as quit, not the opposite of it. Number 10, last item, answer is letter B. The word tight means close-fitting. Pants that are tight are likely uncomfortable as they do not have much extra space. The opposite of tight is roomy or not fitting tightly or closely. Because loose means not fitting tightly or closely, choice B is correct. A is incorrect because free means not physically tied up or restrained. C is incorrect because firm means solidly in place. This is not the opposite of tight, since something that is firm might also be tight. So there you go, guys. That's the end of this lesson about Antonyms 1 Level 1. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please do subscribe, like, share, and let me know your thoughts and questions. Love to hear from you. Good luck and thanks for watching.